y'all, Renee here. I'm here today to do an unboxing of my 2021 Jolly Box from Fat Quarter Shop. If you're not familiar with this box, it's a special edition that they do once a year at Christmas. So I opened the tape, but I haven't really looked at anything but this front piece, and it's pretty full. It's kind of bulging out of the box. So it's the most wonderful time of the year. Let's see if we get a coupon. We do get a coupon for 25% off It's So Emma foundation paper pads. So there's that if you like using the foundation papers. And we've got our little little card here that tells us everything we have and how much it is all worth. So we'll put the fabric off to the side. Oh, we got a Marytown reindeer. Okay. It's got a little clip, so I guess you can clip things on it. It looks like it might be a notepad holder. Let's see what the card says. Let's see. This is a Jolly Box exclusive. Let me put it so you can see it a little better. Jolly Box exclusive Marytown reindeer notepad holder. Yep. This adorable reindeer is here for Christmas cheer. Not only can it hold and clip your most pressing notes, the Marytown reindeer can also hold mini charm packs and other little notions. Just make sure to weigh it down before it tries to take off on Christmas Eve. Value is $13.98. I'm going to go ahead and take this little, there's no easy way to take this little wrapper off to see if the notepad has anything in it that is fun. So we've got more paper on that, and they're just individual sheets. They're not on like a glued thing, and they do have the little reindeer there at the top. So it's just a little notepad holder, and then it looks like you can clip notes to his mouth. So truthfully, it's cute. I don't know how much I will actually use this because it's kind of big. So I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that. If you got one of these boxes, let me know how you feel about this reindeer notepad holder. And I don't know if I told you the value is $13.98, so I'm not sure. Just not sure. Okay, so another pair of scissors. I don't know about you all, but it seems like I've gotten a lot of scissors, so I'm about scissored out. But if you only get the specialty boxes, you aren't getting as many scissors as you're getting with the regular. So this is a 3.5 inch. Looks like a little stork. They're very cute. And so we will see. This is called Santa Baby Stork Snips. And the value on these is $4.98. So it's a decent price for a little pair of scissors. So I'm going to put the little tip back on there, put that back to the side, and let's see what we get next. Okay, some Alpha Bitties Limited Christmas Edition. These are to use when you are cutting pieces from a quilt and you need to mark your piles, or like me, I put mine in Ziploc bags, and I mark the Ziploc bag with what they are. Now, this is kind of strange. Not all of them have letters. So you got these ones that don't have letters. That one doesn't have a letter. No letter on that, no letter on that. I'm actually, maybe someone can enlighten me, or maybe I'm just grouchy today. What would you use the ones that have no letters? What would you use those for? Just decor, I guess. I just don't know what I would use, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 that don't have any letters on them. So let's see what they say about the Alpha Bitties. Where'd they go? Okay, so this is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive as well. These helpful alphabetties certainly make the nice list. The bright letters have gotten a merry makeover and bring season's greetings to your sewing room. You can also spell out a special message for Santa with his milk and cookies for extra brownie points. $7.48. So again, if someone can enlighten me, so there's an A to Z and then 10 holiday icons. So you do get your A to Z just like you get with other alphabetties. So maybe these are just extras just for fun. And maybe I need to lighten up a little bit and not be so judgmental of the alphabetties. Okay. So there's those, the alphabetties. Then we've got, looks like we've got some foundation papers. It's a Flying Geese quilt block foundation paper. You get 84 of the papers. So here's what they look like. There's lots of tutorials online to show you how to use foundation papers. So this one is, let's see, 2x4, $8.48 is the value on the Flying Geese foundation paper, which making Flying Geese is kind of a pain, so foundation papers will probably make it much better. Much better. Okay, and yes, there's a lot of Flying Geese on the pattern. This pattern's really cute. So here's the pattern called Marytown. It finishes 36.5 by 43.5. So you need this bundle. We'll look at the paper in just, or the fabric in just a minute. We'll need the foundation papers, which we got. Also need 1 1/8 yards of some background. It looks like they used a silvery gray. 1 1/8 yard of block sashing of borders, which is just a cream. And then a 1/2 yard of binding. It doesn't tell you how much you need. Oh, here it is. It's in the red. That's why I couldn't see it. 2 5/8 yards for your backing. So let me take a quick look at the pattern. And other than the Flying Geese, which these papers will help with, it doesn't look that difficult. And the value on the pattern is usually $9.98. Let me see. Yep, $9.98, and it's a Jolly Box exclusive, meaning even though it has a value on it, you can't buy it. So let's take a look at the fabric, and it is the Marytown Fat Quarter Bundle. I like getting Fat Quarter bundles. Value on this is $25.48, and it's by Christopher Thompson for Riley Blake Designs. So let's just go ahead and open this and take a look. Okay, let's see what we got. Looks like these are some fairly larger prints. So there's that. It feels really nice, which usually all Riley Blake fabrics I think feel real nice. I think they do a real good job on them. So we will try to put this back together. Okay, so there's one. Then we've got one with little Santas all over it. I don't know, some of these Santas, oh, they're multicultural Santas. Okay. Then we've got a tone-on-tone with some snowflakes. There's that. And then we've got a white on red of the snowflakes. And then a smaller floral print on a green background. And the same floral print, but on a black background. And then I always think of the 60s when I see this stuff. It always reminds me of, like, you know, how the 60s upholstery. But so there's that, and different shades of green on a cream background. And then we've got a holly berry on a green background. So pretty fabric. Has it been my favorite? I don't think so. I'm more of the vintagey kind of fun Christmas, so like these Santas are my deal. But there's the fabrics. So there's that. So all together, we'll just do a quick math. 25, 34, 44, 47, 52, and 60, 70. So $70, $70 worth of product in this box. I think it's okay. I'm not blown away. I hate to say it. I hate sounding so negative. I'm not blown away by it, but I think the pattern is really pretty. I really like the pattern, and I like getting foundation papers. I like using foundation papers. So if you got this box, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of yours. And if you did an unboxing video, leave a link down below so people can go see it. I have no trouble with people leaving links down below so we can look at what each other think of their boxes. So with that, I'm going to leave you, and I will see you in the next one. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.